Hey, hello my friends. Today I'm doing a tomahawk steak and I'm just gonna show you guys. It's really awesome. And this is US prime. I think it's around 43 ounces, including the bone. And what I'm doing is I'm just cooking the fat off the sides more. And my kitchen is gonna, I hope the smoke detector won't go off, guys. I wanted to give you guys a tip because we don't get, in Hong Kong, we don't have a privilege to have a garden or backyard. So we always have this electric grill. But you don't want the steak to flare up too much. So the best thing is to cook the surrounding fat. Just cook all the oil out before you cook the main body. So when I cook the steak, it won't ruin it because the flare-ups do ruin the steak. But check the description box below because I'm just gonna put a link on the Inferno. That one cooks 900, I think over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and that one it broils from the top, so you don't ever worry about flare-ups. But we are, in this kind of scenario, we just gotta cook all the fat on the surrounding sides before I sear the other two sides. So later on, I'll put some garlic and some butter, olive oil, and to get this cooking, because after this sear, it won't, because it's so thick, guys. You see how thick it is? It's not going to cook through easily. So what I do, I'm just going to put this in an oven to complete this. So anyway, guys, just a little tip. And okay, so finally I had the steak. So the temperature, internal temperature was 135 Fahrenheit. So that's a medium rare, but just be aware it's gonna cook inside by itself because there's still a lot of heat, and that's how it comes out. It's a bit, it's really awesome. So I'm gonna dig into this. Just gotta let it sit for 5 minutes so the juices won't bleed out. So it will go back in the steak. So when you cut it and prepare it, it will be a lot better. So every steak you cook, you must have this wait at least 5 minutes. And I'm making spaghetti bolognese for the kids. So here it is, spaghetti bolognese for the kids. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, due to time restrictions or to save time, look at this mashed potato. This is what you use. I got this in a supermarket. So this, you just add 2 cups of water and you have instant mashed potato. I know I cheated, but I guess that's life. So take care, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.